Hello guys, you're welcome back to Academy Technology channel. Today we are going to talk about how to clean up stickers, emojis, or any blur part of images from a picture. You know how people send you mail, WhatsApp pictures, Instagram pictures, some of these pictures, and they will use sticker to block a part where they did not want you to see. They will use sticker to block it. They will use emoji, all this love emoji, this fire emojis, or the meme. They will use meme and block some part of the images. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up those images so you can view the real picture yourself. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel. Do remember to follow our channel. So the first AI I'm going to talk about is
pickwish.com. Open Pickwish, click on photo retouch. You will see photo enhancer, JPG converter, photo face enhancement, background remover. Just click on photo retouch. Once you click on photo retouch, first is to upload the image, right? Let's use the same image. The second is to select what you want to remove. And the third one is to erase it. So this is it. The it has cleaned the sticker completely. It has cleaned the sticker completely. So you can actually download it, save it, or do whatever you want to do with it. Pickwish.com. The next AI tool I want to talk about that you can use to remove sticker or emoji is called photo.com. You can use it to create design, edit photo, to be able to remove sticker or emoji on a picture. So you click on edit photo and it brings you here. Here we are going to start free trial. So let's start free trial. Let's sign up with Google. Confirm. So the first thing we are going to do, select an image with a sticker. Open image, go to download, check this download. Yes, so it has sticker on it. Just click on magic remove. On smear, you can change the size of the brush. Look at the brush, look at the size is changing. And clean all the sticker parts where you want to clean. Then click start removing. So it's using AI to remove the sticker for me. Another application I want to talk about is InPaint. Look at the URL inpaint.com. Just open the inpaint.com. Upload the image that you want to work on. I've uploaded this image and I can view. Just click here, select the image you wanted to work on. It will automatically bring the image here. So what you have to do is to clean what you don't really want. You don't like this clock emoji around here. Just clean it off. And say erase. So that solve it. You can re-download this image. That's how you clean any unwanted emoji, sticker, or whatever you want to remove in a picture. Another application we want to talk about is pixlr.com. That's pixlr.com. You can use it to clean background images. You can use it to remove objects, emoji, stickers on picture. For example, Let's remove a sticker. Click on remove object, open image, select image. Let's select this image, say open. Size of this magic wand. How do you want it? What's the quality? Then just tap on the sticker you want to clean and start cleaning. So this is it. I've been able to clean that emoji on this, or that sticker on this laptop. You can save this image, you can increase the quality. Just play around pixlr.com and see what you're able to achieve.
I hope you've learned how to clean up emoji stickers from pictures, from any picture that they send to you. I hope you can now have a clear view of whatever picture they send to you. Please do not forget to share our video. Do not forget to subscribe to our video. This is our Demi Technology, and we are here to give you insights about tech job, about computer, about AI, about Google, about programming, about everything tech. Thank you for always being here with us.